Drinking a glass of garlic water every day can have several potential benefits. 1. Improves immune health. Garlic is known for its immune-boosting properties. It contains high levels of antibiotic and antifungal sulfur compounds including allicin, allicin, and digestion. 2. Prevents and treats cancer. Garlic has been found to protect against certain types of cancers. 3. Weight loss. Garlic can aid in weight loss. 4. Reduces cholesterol. Garlic can help in reducing cholesterol levels. 5. Disinfects wounds. Garlic can be used to disinfect wounds. 6. Relief from mouth ulcers. Garlic can provide relief from mouth ulcers. 7. Promotes heart health. Garlic promotes heart health. To make garlic water, you can steep crushed or minced garlic cloves in water to allow the bioactive compounds to diffuse into the liquid.